And anyway, you must pick the subway up there where you live. That subway up there where you live is not like the one down here. We have different things. Think about it. Really hard. And don't take me off to where I want to throw a knife. 'Cause when I get really ticked, I do throw things. Knives, anything I can get my hand on. And I don't care what I throw it at. As long as I get my anger out. Ticked off. And put my ticked off sign. There's my ticked off sign. And oh yeah, everybody, you can thank them for ticking me off. 'Cause I'm not going back on cam until I get Ann mad. So thank her. And that might be for holidays. Thanks to her.